Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to remove green background or chroma key in the Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have prepared clip on the timeline with green background. And to start remove the chroma key and replacing its background, we go to the effects panel and search for the effect Ultra K. Drag and drop this effect on the timeline on our clip. And now we go to the effect controls panel and we choose dropper from key color item and click on the green background. This background might be another color, red, blue or gray. We click dropper on green background. And as we can see, the background seems to have cleared up. But if we choose alpha channel in the output, we can see some artifacts. We have gray areas to the left and to the right of this man. To remove the background as best as possible, we need to choose matte generation and just slow down your shadows. As we can see, our artifacts go away. You can edit these items for yourself. For example, the picture might be too bright or too dark. You need to edit these preferences. When you will see the picture is pretty fine, we're back to the composite mode. If we scale our video, you can see green tint on the edges. So we need to go to the matte cleanup and just play with some preferences. For example, raise up, soften item, and then choke. We can see much better picture now. Now you can drag your background in the video. I have palms like this. Great, now we have our man on the palms background. You can color correct your video and it will look much nicer. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.